I'm so bored.
Caillou and Rosie, come down here.
Coming, Dad.
Today is 4th of July, so we will look for more fireworks because we only have one. So Caillou, watch Rosie for us, okay?
Okay. Hey Rosie, you see that firework right there?
Yeah. Why?
Stand next to it.
Okay, now what?
Close your eyes.
Okay, now what?
Keep them closed now. Now you can open them.
What the fuck?
Bye, bitch.
Ow, 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 what?
Caillou, how dare you lock Rosie on a firework? That's it, you are grounded for 3849379 years.
Voila.
Rosie, let's go to the fireworks show without Caillou.